In this video, we'll show you how to create a write table, configure editable columns, and manage changes efficiently. Write tables allow users to add, edit, and manage data directly within a sheet without altering the underlying data model. Changes are temporary and securely stored in a Qlik Change Store for 90 days. To add a write table to your sheet, open the Assets panel, drag a write table to the sheet. Click Add Dimension and select a dimension or a field. Add additional dimensions or measures if needed. You can select from fields and master items or use a custom expression.
Now, let's add an editable column. To do this, you first need to define at least one primary key.
A primary key is a field that links changes in editable columns back to the original data in the data model. It ensures that user edits are mapped accurately to the correct records. Open the Editable Column settings and give the column a title. You can choose how users provide input. With manual user input, users type values directly into cells. For example, they can manually enter the number of products to order. Let's add another editable column. Name it Priority and select the Single Selection option. Enter the values Low, Medium, and High to define the available choices. Users can select one of the predefined options from the drop-down list. You can continue adding all the editable columns needed for your workflow. Once the write table is configured, users can interact with it and make edits in the editable columns. When users add data to editable columns, their changes are not applied to the app's data model. Instead, they are stored temporarily in a Qlik Change Store for up to 90 days. A change store is a Qlik storage location containing user-added changes from editable columns in a write table. After 90 days, storage changes are automatically deleted. The change store for your write table is pre-configured for your tenant and can be accessed via the Change Store API. Using your Change Store ID, you can build API requests or automations to synchronize user edits to a permanent destination, such as a spreadsheet or database. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.